Materials innovations have shaped civilization for centuries. In the 20th century, many advances were driven by plastics derived from petroleum. Plastic is a word that originally meant pliable and easily shaped. Plastics are a wide range of synthetic or natural materials that have polymers as their main ingredient. Plastics can be molded, extruded, or pressed into objects of various shapes. The word polymer means of many parts, and polymer molecules are long chains of smaller repeating units called monomers. Polymers are abundant in nature, such as the proteins that make up your hair. Synthetic polymers are made up of chains of repeating units, often much longer than those found in nature. Controlling the length and patterns of these chains makes petroleum-based plastics strong, lightweight, and flexible. Cheap and controllable plastics benefit almost every aspect of our daily lives. However, plastic pollution is now prevalent in our soil and in our bodies. The plastic bags that we discard take 10 to 20 years to decompose. Plastic bottles can take 450 years, while many other plastics in our landfills can take as long as 1,000 years to decompose. One symbol of the problem is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a swirl of plastic garbage the size of Texas floating in the Pacific Ocean. And the Earth's oceans are on track to contain more plastic than fish by 2050. Solving this problem is a grand challenge with worldwide implications. How can we tackle plastic pollution while still benefiting from the advantages of petroleum-based plastics? A multidisciplinary team of researchers, funded by the National Science Foundation's Growing Convergence Research Program and led by McKelvey School of Engineering at Washington University in St. Louis, in collaboration with Northwestern University, Iowa State, University of South Florida, and other academic and industrial partners, including Department of Energy National Labs, are looking for new and innovative solutions to this challenge. They have created the Synthetic Biology Manufacturing of Advanced Materials Research Center, or SMARC, to create new materials such as biodegradable plastics that are made by engineering biology. An example of the new high-performance polymers they make is artificial spider silk, which has the strength of steel. Spider silk proteins have a monomer sequence with repetitive blocks of glycine and alanine amino acids. Alanine blocks form ordered regions that resemble crystals, while glycine blocks aggregate into amorphous regions with no long-range order. These interspersed, hard and soft regions give spider silk its toughness. But materials like spider silk evolved for specific biological functions, rather than used by humans. With advances in synthetic biology and materials engineering, SMARC can manufacture synthetic biological materials, such as a stronger silk-like material, designed to meet our engineering needs. SMARC uses synthetic biology to engineer microbes into mini factories that manufacture biodegradable polymers. SMARC is building the groundwork for engineers to invent sustainable and biodegradable materials that fit their specific needs, minimize waste, and maximize the reuse of resources. SMARC's computational material modeling and artificial intelligence will enable the discovery of new and better materials. For example, the muscle protein titin endows human muscle with passive elasticity and damping. SMARC's engineered microbes have manufactured materials that produce high-performance fibers which reconstitute the properties of titin and exhibit strength and toughness that outperform existing synthetic and natural polymers. Through innovations like this, SMARC aims to unlock the potential of synthetic biological materials and lead the transition to a global economy of sustainable, high-performance bioplastics.